Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create or generate serial number in Excel. Okay, here you will see I have serial number column. Okay, now I want to generate serial number here. So the common method by which everyone generates the serial number is just type 1 and 2 in first two cell and then drag it to the bottom. Okay, so by this methods many people generate the serial number, but there is a drawback in this method, that if you delete any row, as I want to delete this row, okay, you will see that 1 2 3 4, then no 5, there's 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is the drawback of this method. So I will show you the method by which you can easily generate the serial number, and you automatically the serial number will be automatic updated. Okay, so how to generate that? So what you have to do, I'm just okay here, just select the first cell. Now here you have to just click on equals to. Okay, then type rows, then bracket open. In array you have to do, this is the A2 cell. Okay, so you have to just type A2, then again A2. Okay, then here in go to the function bar here or formula bar. Okay, then select the first A2. Then what you have to do, you have to just press F4, press F4. Okay, to lock the cell, then bracket close and click on OK. Now what you have to do, you have to just drag it to the bottom. Okay, so when I drag to bottom, you will see serial number has been automatically updated. Then if I delete any cell, as I want to delete this cell, you will see automatically there will be no cap, okay, of the numbers, serial numbers. So like this you can generate serial number in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.